and we're very excited. Rajiv looks amazing, doesn't he? He's in the safari costume.
I'm not doing a safari for the first time, but by the way, it's the second time. First time I've gone around 12 to 13 years back at Corbett National Park. This is my second time.
Yeah.
Of course, it is Masai Mara. It has to be a little different versus what I have done.
That's true. So yeah, Rajiv has already done it, but for me this is my first time at a safari because I'm not a very adventurous person. But I'm so happy that I'm doing it for the first time. I'm doing it at Mara. What better than that? And also we have Saruni here. Saruni.
Hi, how are you?
Great.
We are ready to start the safari.
Yes, we are.
Pointing the lions and the buffaloes and the giraffe and the zebras.
Yes, and I'm sure with Saruni we can spot like most of them. Thank you for being with us today.
Welcome.
Also guys, this is our Jeep. It's a Land Cruiser. Of course we are sitting inside the Jeep, so I can't show it to you. Once I get down, I'll give you like a proper tour of the seat. Yeah. So we also have this space, so we can just stand up whenever we spot the animal, especially the lion. I'm very excited to see the male lion. Beautiful landscape of Masai Mara. And like I said earlier, I'm so happy that it's a cloudy day and we are getting to see this amazing side of Mara. We are looking at them and they are looking at us. Hi guys.
These are females.
Okay. Just asked Saruni if animal attacks, will he save us? And he's like, yeah, I'll save, but one has to go. Decide who you want to sacrifice between the two. We are just checking if they have spotted the leopard. So we have spotted the African buffalo. It's huge. It's in alert mode, full alert mode. So what we are trying to do right now is
Leopard
to
was
spot a
spotted
leopard.
here.
Yes.
Leopard. We spotted someone there.
Yeah, so we are waiting for the leopard. So Saruni got this information that somebody spotted leopard around here. Let's see if we are lucky. Also, I decided to wear my jacket because there are a lot of mosquitoes here. And I'm like, the mosquitoes love me. So just trying to protect myself. Sunlight and clouds. It's so beautiful. Amazing. Saharas are really majestic. Yellow socks and blue jeans.
Ecosystem.
they've spotted already. Guys, we have spotted a giraffe. So personally, I'm not a big fan of hyenas. Ever since I saw Lion King. Anyway, we've spotted some hyenas. So I'm just gonna show you. Hey, don't run away, guys. We are going to cause no harm.
No harm. We love you guys.
Yeah, we love you guys.
So the rest, the three of them are ladies and the man is on the left side.
So they are all partners?
Yeah. But it's polygamy.
Oh. Yeah. Who jumps higher has more girlfriends. No, you please jump higher. Yeah. So we've come here because this is cheetah territory and hopefully we are gonna find one. We have spotted the cheetah, in fact 2 cheetahs, but they are sleeping. Let me just zoom in and try and capture them. Yeah, they're right there. There are so many vehicles that have lined up just to see the cheetahs sleeping. The cheetah has woken up and he's just looking here. Oh wow. Majestic, huh? Just wish I got a better camera because the zoom is not doing the trick. The cheetahs have woken up, so probably we'll get a better view. Where are they? They've woken up and probably they've moved towards the bush because the sun is out. Yes, look at them. So beautiful. Let me see if I can zoom further. Gorgeous. Cheetahs are sleeping. The birthday boy is also sleeping. So we spent a lot of time with those cheetahs, but they didn't move, they didn't budge. They were so unimpressed with all the vehicles around them as well. So then we decided that it's just time to make a move, and I have a feeling that once all the vehicles leave, they will start moving for sure. Anyway, so yeah, now we are on our way to spot lions, lion and cubs, and up front and close. Playing, I'm not sure. Rajiv really wants to play with the cubs, but that's not a good idea here, at least in the vibe. We really want to spot lion up close, and once that happens, I'll be happy. And we will not go home and sleep. We'll look for the other animals then. Someone spotted a lion, and now we are entering the same area. We're trying to look for them, but apparently around these bushes, it's been like 5 minutes. We're trying to look for them. Haven't been successful so far. Let's hope we do. A lot of other vehicles are also arriving. And so this was the moment that I was waiting for. I really wanted to see a male lion in its full glory. But now that we're here, I'm a little bit scared. Let's see what happens. Why I'm also scared is because they are hiding somewhere in the bushes. They're out in the open, you know where they are, and you can, look at them. So you know. So you're aware, you're fully aware. But behind the bushes, you never know when they will appear. So it's just adding to the anxiety. Guys, we finally found the lion, but it's like really far away, and it's there, it's right there. There were 2 huge male lions, and also there's a pack of hyenas right there. So there are 3 lions. There's 1 male that's right there, and there's a male and a female, and they're mating behind the bushes. I'm just gonna zoom in. Yes, this is the lion. That's how much I can zoom, that's it. But it's beautiful. Lion? Hyena. Guys, there's a hyena. It's right behind the bushes. Somewhere.
Wow, picture your background.
Yes, we see them now.
What do you know? Your hyena ke saath
Yes, they are. There's a big fight happening with the hyenas. Look at them. They're so beautiful. They're 2 males and 1 female. Yes. This is a couple. She's eating the hyena, I guess. Look at him. Rajiv, take out the binoculars.
Elephants are nice.
So elephants live between 50 to 70 years, but in captivity they can live longer than that. Also, they are very social. They come together. They form big families of 50 to 100 elephants together.
Wow.
Also, they do consume between 250 to 300 kilograms of grass and sugar. The reason behind this is that their digestive system is very poor, so they put too much, then they eat too much. Their system, digesting, to digest, it's not that much easy. So they
captain, the boss. And he's also the biggest. Onse one. She's sleeping though. See her? And I think her partner, the male lion, is also behind that small. Behind the bush. Guys, she's awake and she's moving away. So many lions here. See, 2 of them here. And actually they are all lionesses.
How many can you see?
5 lionesses. 3 of them are here. 2 and 1 on top. Yeah, they are unbothered by all these noise. They're very tired.
And they sleep at night and entertain us during the day.
So Rajiv is saying, why can't they sleep at night and entertain us during the day? So we are just waiting here. Hopefully they will wake up. Hopefully we'll get to see them walk in their full glory. But as of now, they are just chilling. They are relaxed. It's like they've worked the entire day or 2 days straight and then finally they are resting. This one is a young boy. That's what Saranya said. He's a young, short-tailed man. Male. Guys, we found Pumbaa. Rajiv say Hakuna Matata. He's getting scared. This one's awake. So we have entered the lion territory. So we are seeing many lions right now. Hopefully we are going to find some more up close, and this turbulence is worse than the aircraft. There's a female lion approaching. Casually walking. Now she's shouting towards us. That's all, folks. So it has started raining again and it's so cold right now. Anyway, we are coming towards the end of our game drive. Right now we are trying to spot a hippo, and once we do that, if we do that, we will start moving towards our camp because it's getting dark and we will take a couple of hours before we reach our camp. So yes, hopefully we find a hippo soon and then we start moving back. So we had to cover the car because it started raining heavily and we're finally here. And there are a lot of hippos in the river, but we're just waiting for it to stop raining. Then we can take these transparent blinds up, and then probably I can get a video of the hippos. But what I can tell you right now, the hippos are having a lot of fun in the rain. Okay, I don't think it's going to stop raining, so let me just try and shoot this. Okay, yeah. Can you see all these hippos?
2 minutes.
Crazy. There's so many. They're all underwater, enjoying the rains. Aruni was just telling us that the same river has crocodiles as well, but because it's raining right now and they don't like cold weather, so they are under the water. So apparently the temperature underwater is warm. So we were able to spot a lot of hippos, and I think it's almost the end of our game drive. Now slowly we will start heading back to our camp. Hopefully we'll find some animals on the way. Started raining again, so the blind comes down and we'll start heading back now. So we have spotted a lion. Look at this, She's coming here. Sorry guys, I've got distracted looking at it. We're just heading back home now.
Cheetah. Cheetah, there are only 2.
And they're sleeping. Look at it. This is the second giraffe we've spotted. He's saying it's the same one, but it's not. Beauty.
Switch off the engine.
Yep. We've spotted some zebras finally. Up close. yeah. Shed, whatever. Crossing. This is literally zebra crossing. Hi. Hi guys, what's up? So now we are going to check into our room. I think this is the restaurant lounge area here. And again it started raining. And on that side looks like an amphitheater. Okay, let's keep walking. I was hoping that they gave us a tent near reception area, but I'm shit scared. Let's see. They're taking us towards the jungle. This is our tent. You have a wife. Woo!
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Yeah. You. Happy birthday, dear Rajiv. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Rajiv. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Make a wish. Make a wish. Hello.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Taking around, but today this airstrip is filled with people. Like yesterday when we landed, it was just us, but just have a look. so many people today. And also at the airfield, there is like this little Masai market. Lot of stuff. So these are actually people from the Masai village who are here with all the handicraft items, and these are really, really cool. So we met this really cool family here at the airport. Say hi, guys. Hello.
Hello, Ni Meng Hao. How?
And we recorded a cool TikTok also, which I'll upload later. Flight has not arrived yet. We are just chilling here.